Cooking is an art, and every artist deserves the right tools to perfect their craft. This Carbon Steel Wok Pan 5-piece set embodies a fusion of tradition and modernity, delivering a stellar cooking experience for enthusiasts and professionals alike. This review will delve deep into why this wok pan set is a must-have addition to your kitchen, covering its features, performance, and how it meets diverse cooking needs. Stick around to discover why it's a game-changer for stir-frying, deep-frying, and much more. Perfect size for family and gatherings. The Carbon Steel Wok Pan boasts a 13-inch diameter and 3.7-inch depth, offering ample space for cooking meals for up to 6 people. Whether you're whipping up a stir-fry for family dinner or preparing fried rice for a small gathering, this wok accommodates it all. Its thoughtful depth ensures splatter-free cooking, keeping your stove neat and clean, making it the ideal tool for both everyday meals and special occasions. Superior material, high-density carbon steel. What sets this wok apart is its high-density carbon steel construction. Unlike traditional cookware, this material ensures durability. Built to last, this wok withstands rigorous use, rapid heat conduction, achieve evenly cooked meals with crisp vegetables and perfectly seared meat. High temperature tolerance. The absence of chemical coatings makes this wok safe for high heat cooking, ensuring authentic stir-fry flavors. Its natural non-stick properties, when properly seasoned, add to its appeal, making it healthier by reducing the need for excessive oil. Accessories for a seamless cooking experience. The set includes essential tools for your culinary adventures. Wooden lid retains heat and moisture, enhancing the flavors of your dishes. Wooden spatula, perfect for flipping and stirring without scratching the surface. Wooden chopsticks, 2 pairs, traditional tools for serving and savoring your creations. These thoughtfully included accessories ensure you're equipped for every type of dish, whether it's stir-fry, steaming, or deep frying. Lightweight design for effortless cooking. Weighing just 2.98 pounds, this wok pan offers easy maneuverability, allowing you to toss and flip ingredients like a pro. Whether you're stir-frying vegetables or sautéing noodles, the lightweight design reduces arm fatigue, making cooking more enjoyable. Flat bottom for versatile stovetop compatibility. The flat, 7-inch wide bottom ensures stability on all types of stoves: gas, induction, electric, halogen. This versatility makes the Carbon Steel Wok Pan suitable for any kitchen, eliminating the need for specialized equipment. Why it outshines competitors. While there are many woks available in the market, the Carbon Steel Wok Pan stands out due to chemical-free cooking. Unlike Teflon-coated cookware, it offers a healthier option by withstanding higher temperatures without releasing harmful fumes. Enhanced heat distribution ensures faster cooking with evenly distributed heat. Multi-purpose use. From stir-frying to steaming, this wok handles it all with ease. Ease of maintenance. Cleaning and maintaining the wok is a breeze. With proper seasoning, the natural non-stick surface ensures food doesn't stick, and a quick rinse is usually sufficient. The wooden handle, which is riveted securely, is heat-resistant and easy to remove, making it dishwasher safe, handle excluded. Here's what some satisfied customers have to say. I've been using this wok daily, and it has transformed my cooking. The heat distribution is phenomenal. The wooden lid and spatula are such thoughtful additions. It's my go-to pan for all meals now. Finally, a wok that works on my induction stove. Highly recommend it. Let's recap the highlights that make this wok irresistible. Chemical-free, high-density carbon steel. Lightweight for effortless handling. Essential accessories included flat bottom for compatibility with all stovetops. Perfect size for family meals and gatherings. Why you should buy it. If you're seeking authentic cooking results, versatility, and durability, the Carbon Steel Wok Pan 5-piece set delivers it all. It's a fantastic investment for anyone passionate about cooking, ensuring healthier meals and a seamless experience. Whether you're an amateur cook or a seasoned chef, this wok meets and exceeds expectations. Final thoughts. The Carbon Steel Wok Pan is more than just cookware. It's a gateway to culinary mastery. Its robust construction, thoughtful accessories, and versatile design ensure it earns a place of honor in your kitchen. Don't miss out on transforming your cooking game. Get your hands on this wok today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.